conducted some tests, we have found out that you have type 2 diabetes. So that means that you are likely to suffer from peripheral neuropathy. And this is nerve damage in the limbs due to high blood sugar levels. So some symptoms are numbness or insensitivity to pain or temperature.
Are you okay? Huh? Oh, I'm fine, nothing happened.
Tingling, burning or prickling sensation.
Ouch, pins and needles.
Sharp pains or cramps.
Oh! Oh!
Extreme sensitivity to touch, even light touch.
Don't push me so hard. I'm sorry.
Loss of balance and coordination. Muscle weakness.
Oh, thank you. Whoa, why is it so heavy?
And loss of reflexes.
I'm suffering from sting numbness.
Oh.
Can you explain how it works?
Now I'll get diabetes specialist to explain to you the model.
The blue diagram on the right side of the board depicts a nerve cell. On the left side, the wires in the electrical circuit represents the passage of nerve impulses from the spinal cord to the leg. The battery represents the spinal cord and the light bulb the leg. Along this, there's an enlarged version of the Schwann cells in the nerve cell. The electrical circuit running through this part represents the nerve impulse conduction along Schwann cells. Successful conduction is indicated by the light bulb in the circuit turning on.
This electric circuit in our model represents the nerve system which is connected when a person does not have diabetes. A stimulus such as tapping onto a leg activates the receptor which sends the afferent signal to a sensory neuron cell body in a dorsal root ganglion. The signal arrives at a sensory neuron in the spinal cord, the central center, represented by the battery. Information is processed and an afferent signal is sent to the effector, the quadriceps muscles which carry out the response, such as moving away the leg. This is represented in the model when the bulb lights up.
A person who has diabetes, osmotic damage may take place. The diabetic patient may experience pain or numbness in foot, loss of balance and coordination, and muscle weakness. As glucose builds up in the body compensates by transporting glucose into cells, which is turned into sorbitol by enzyme aldose reductase. Sorbitol is usually broken down by enzyme sorbitol hydrogenase, which is not much present in Schwann cells. When a person has increasing amount of hyperglycemia, the amount of sorbitol also increases and more water is drawn in. Sorbitol cannot be broken down, so the Schwann cell swells until it lyses. This is seen in the circuit by the clips not being connected and the light bulb not being lighted up.
In conclusion, when glucose is not built up in the body and the person is healthy, there is no osmotic damage caused to the Schwann cells, and blood is able to flow through to the leg and the other parts of the body. This is shown by the crocodile clips being connected, signaling a proper blood flow. The bulb lighting up, which shows how the current goes to the intended location, the leg, for our body. When glucose builds up, osmotic damage occurs and causes the Schwann cell to lyse. This is shown in our model by the crocodile clips not being connected. This shows a break in the circuit, which implies the break in the blood flow to the target organ. As a result, the target organ suffers from loss of sensation, which is shown by the light bulb not lighting up.
Some things you can tell your relatives or friends to help them prevent getting diabetes.
I think I can tell them that they can avoid rice in their diet, or they can use brown rice. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.